Amelia sing a
performance.
song?
No, she's coming up now.
I know, but did she sing it at home? I don't even know what she sang.
She was telling me it was the Baby Shark song, but I don't know if Bazooka Bubblegum, it's a different song. Amelia's group is coming. Here they come. There she is.
Okay, next up we have TB4 with Bazooka Bubblegum. Dancers are Andrew, Nadia and Reedy.
Yay! There she is. There's the peanut. There she is.
Repeat after me song. My mama, she gave me a dollar. She told me to buy a collar, but I didn't buy no collar. I bought myself some bubble gum. Bazooka, zooka, bubble gum. My mama,
That's all right.
she gave me a quarter. She told me to tip the porter, but I didn't tip no porter. I bought myself some bubble gum. Bazooka, zooka, bubble gum. My mama, she gave me a dime. She told me to buy a lime, but I didn't buy no lime. I bought myself some bubble gum. Bazooka, zooka, bubble gum. My mama, she gave me a nickel. She told me to buy a pickle, but I didn't buy no pickle. I bought myself some bubble gum. Bazooka, zooka, bubble gum. My mama, she gave me a penny. She told me to buy some bubble gum, but I don't want no bubble gum, cause I'm sick of bubble gum. Bazooka, zooka, bubble gum. Bazooka, zooka, bubble gum. Bazooka, zooka, bubble gum.
Well done TB4.
Bubblegum.
Next up we have TB5 with the Beaver song. Dancers are Leanne, John and Max.
Good job. All right.